Very good morning, dear children. Dear children, we started with the first chapter of geography, that is resources. And children, we discussed about what is resource, fine, and what is a utility, what is a value. Value means a worth. If something has a use, it will be called a resource. Fine, children. Then after that, we discussed about the types of resources, in which we talked about the natural resources which occur naturally, and out of that there are two types of resources: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable, which can be renewed easily, and non-renewable, which take a lot of years to be renewed again. Now children, we are at human made resources. Now children, people can make the best use. Now if you all know that human beings, they are the one who can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have knowledge, skill, and the technology to do so. That is why human beings are a special resource. So who's going to use all these resources? The human beings only. So crop ruined due to drought, can I found a solution? So she's just discussing, and what solution she took out, that's it. It's all thanks to the knowledge, education, and skill we could find a solution. Fine. So see, human resource refers to the number or the quantities and the abilities of mental and physical of the people. Fine. They differ in views regarding treatment of humans as a resource, but a person cannot deny, we cannot deny that human beings are not a resource. Fine. Now people people are human resource. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource. Improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. So human resource, a person, if human beings are not there, who's going to use the resources? And moreover children, human resource development includes the education, the health, fine, which make us more capable, which improve our quality, which improve our skills to create more resources. That is human resource development. Now the next topic is conserving resources. You all know we should conserve the resources, which we should use them in a limited way. Now it's a night where Mona is taking having a nightmare. Fine, she dreamt that the water on the earth is dried up, trees cut down, and there is no shade, nothing to eat, drink. People are suffering and roaming around desperately, looking for food and shade. Now she told her mother about this dream, and mother says, yes, it can really happen. Fine, if we are not going to be careful when we are using the renewable resources, obviously they are going to become end someday, and non-renewable, obviously they are going to take a lot of time, they are going to exhaust one day. So using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. And we have to make a balance in the need to use resources and conserve them for future. That will be called as sustainable development. There are many ways children to conserve resources. We all should contribute, each and every one of us should contribute in reducing the consumption, recycling, reusing the things again, and ultimately it is going to make a big difference in all our lives, children. So that evening the children and their friends, they made packets, shopping bags of old newspaper, means they are using recycling, discarded clothes and bamboo baskets. We will give a few to every family we know. After all, it is for a good cause. Fine. So they all just want to save the resources and they want to keep the earth alive. So we all have to join our hands together to conserve the resources. Fine. So these children are making so much efforts. Fine. So they are saying that we will take care of, electricity. We are not going to waste it. We are going to use a good use of newspaper so that the trees will not be cut down. We will take care of the water wastage. Every drop of water is precious, and obviously together we are going to make a big difference. Fine. So the future of our planet, children, and its people is linked with the ability to maintain and preserve the life support system that nature provides. So it is all in our hands. It's our duty that we all should use the renewable resources in a sustainable way. Fine. The diversity of the life on the earth is conserved. We should conserve that, and we should not damage the environment. That should be minimized. Some principles of sustainable development, please check out: respect and care for all forms of life, improve the quality of human life, conserve the earth's vitality and diversity, minimize the depletion of natural resources, change persons' attitude and practices towards the environment, enable communities to care of their own environment. We should take care of our own environment. Okay, children. So this was all about today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day.